How to use the Galaxie Database. Let's start at the Manuel Library website. Simply click Galaxie Theological Journals to get started. This is what the Galaxie Database looks like. You can use the search bar to look up articles. You can also use the links under Journals menu. The first option is List Journals, which will show you all the journals they have. This page will look like this. Once you click on one, you will see all the volumes and issues to choose from, and they are linked for you to view. You can also use the link for List Authors under Journals menu if you are only looking for a particular author. This page will look like this. You can click the author's name and see all the articles they have written that Galaxie has. If you want to search by a particular Bible verse, that option is also available under the Journals menu. Just click the Search by Verse link and you will come to this page. Type in the verse you wish to find articles on, and once you hit search, you will see the results. The last option we'll cover under Journals menu is the Search Syntax link. You will come to this page and it gives you good tips on how to use search strategies such as proximity searches. Let's say you just want to do a regular keyword search that we saw on the first page. You can sort by relevance or year. These first search results are sorted by relevance, which is good because I'm getting lots of results on angels, but the years of publications are a bit old. So let's change it to sort by year and hit search. Now we have more recent results, but they're also less relevant. So let's make our search term more specific and search Archangel instead of Angel because we are looking for that more specifically. You could also try Archangel Michael or other more specific terms related to your topic. Still sorting by year, now the results are coming back with relevant articles and they are recent. Once you have located an article you'd like to use, just click on it and you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. It gives you the whole article on the web page to read, or you can download the PDF by clicking the PDF symbol. In addition, the information displayed about the article, the author, journal, and volume are all clickable links in red if you would like to explore any of those further. Thank you for watching the Manuel Libraries tutorial on how to use the Galaxie Database. We hope this information was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at library@piedmontu.edu or call us at 336-714-7894.